In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix site by adding an excellent feature, pricing plans. This is a fantastic way to offer your customers subscriptions for your services, providing both flexibility and recurring revenue streams for your business. First, you need to head over to the Wix App Market. If you're unfamiliar with this, the App Market is like a treasure trove where you can find various tools to add functionalities to your website, with the Pricing Plans app being one of them. Once you're there, look for the Pricing Plans app by typing it in the search bar. When it pops up, click on it to start the installation process. This app is versatile, allowing you to manage and sell subscriptions directly from your site. After adding the app successfully, your next step is to create your subscription plans. In this context, it's crucial to put yourself in your user's shoes. Think about what subscription options would be most appealing. Begin by opening the Pricing Plans dashboard, where you will click on Create a New Plan. Now you have a clean slate to design your plans. Consider different subscription tiers. Each tier can offer a different level of service or benefits. For instance, a basic plan might provide essential features, while a premium plan could include exclusive content or priority support. Make sure to name your plans clearly so your customers understand exactly what they are getting. Don't forget to add a detailed description. Information is key in helping potential subscribers make informed decisions. Decide on the pricing that reflects the value each plan offers. Next, choose a billing cycle that works best: monthly, yearly, or maybe even quarterly. This flexibility is why subscription models are so popular. They cater to diverse customer preferences. Adding an image or a badge to each plan can make them visually appealing and highlight special offers or popular choices. Once you've set up your subscription plans to your satisfaction, it's time to integrate these into your site. Go back to your Wix editor where you can decide where to place these on your website. Think about a prominent spot like your homepage or a dedicated pricing page to attract visitors' attention. Simply drag and drop the app onto your page, following the in-editor guidance to position it precisely where you want. Now comes a critical step: publishing your site with the new feature. This ensures that all your hard work is visible to the public. Hit the publish button. Take a quick moment to preview your site as it would appear to visitors. Make sure everything looks polished and professional. Congratulations! You've successfully added attractive subscription options to your site, enhancing its functionality significantly. Feel free to revisit and tweak your plans based on customer feedback and performance.